Hi there, it's Martin again from Mia. So today's video we're going to have a quick look at how we can generate a PDF document for our properties. So here's an example I generated earlier. As you can see, it's branded with our logo, has our contact details, the property title and 3 images here. Some basic details about the property, description, the features and the price and the city. So using our back office tool, we are going to simply, let's filter. You can filter for a specific property if you want. 65, let's choose the version in English. You can, all you have to do is select a row. If you click an image, it opens up the property details, so don't click an image. Select a row and generate PDF. Now you choose from one of 4 templates. Let's start off with the landscape version and save that. It's going to generate, save to a disk, and it opens up a preview here. This is basically what it's going to look like. Let's have a quick look at the actual PDF document. So here we are, property details, landscape, and that's it. So we're going to do the same for the portrait. So back to our property tab, and let's clear the filter and let's select this time 2 properties. So you can hold down the control button and you can select 2, any 2 you want, or 3. Let's do 3. And we're going to click generate PDF. Now let's select the portrait. You can do the same with the landscape, but let's select in this one the portrait, and it's generating 3 different, one single PDF with 3 properties inside. So let's open it up and have a look. So here's a portrait, and we'll maximize that. So I can just scroll down and you can see they're all the same branding. Now, there's one thing I didn't say, is we should have to set up our preferences. So go up to the edit in the menu, select preferences, and you need to specify where your logo comes from. So it's a URL on your server, and for example I've just taken our web page and right click and copy image URL and I've pasted it in here, and then save and close. So let's go back and generate another. Let's select some different ones, 2, and we're going to generate PDF, and this time we're going to select the template with 3 images. Now remember that the main image is always the feature image of your property, so make sure you upload one of sufficient resolution, not too big. So I suggest 1024 pixels by 768, and we select this and it's going to generate the PDF for the selected properties. And let's have a look on our local disk, and there's one property with 3 images. So these 2 images here are the first 2 of the slideshow. Now we may want to change those images, and we can. So we go back to the tool. This time we want to, so we can only do it for 1 property at a time though. If you want to change images, you can only do it for a single property. So let's select Gijona, and we're going to go into our image editor, and this is where we can load the slides, the slideshow images. So it'll take a little while before it downloads. I'll pause the video for a second. Okay, so here we are, all our slideshow images have downloaded. Now bear in mind, the first time you try and download slideshow images, it's going to take a little while depending on your internet speed, but every time from now on, if I open this up in the image editor, it's super quick to load the properties. In fact, let's select the Spanish version of Gijona and go into image editor, and you see it's already downloaded. We've saved images locally, so it's only the first time it takes some time. So let's select 2, let's choose 2 images. Let's choose a bedroom one and maybe a different outside one, the pool, and we're going to create PDF from here, and we select the 3 image one. Let's save that, and we're going to open it up from our hard disk, and we can see our 2 images we selected. And another thing we can do, we might want to generate PDFs that contain multiple properties. So we can select any group here by just shift click to select the whole lot between where you start and where you end, or you can just click on one, control, and click on another one, and so on. So we've selected 3 here, and we're going to generate the PDF, and we're going to generate, let's just generate a simple one, and we're going to see, there we are, saving to disk. I'll close the preview, we'll look at the genuine version. Oh, wrong one, it was the portrait. So we can see now, as I scroll through, we get identical looking PDF documents, so it's consistently branded. And perhaps we want to select the same property in 2 different languages. Well, again, just make sure that your languages are toggled on. And we generate, let's do a landscape one, and now we're going to see PDFs with the content in both languages. So there's English. Well, actually this particular one we haven't translated, that's not a good example. Let's find one we've translated. Close the viewer. I think we have translated the Hijona one. And we'll generate PDF. Overwrite. Loading the descriptions. Going to save the PDF, and now we'll open our version on the disk, and there we are, 2 different languages. And finally we have, let's put it on Spanish. Let's select a chunk here, and we're going to generate a summary. So this just shows basic details of the properties in a tabular format. And that's basically it. Now what we can do on the website, unfortunately the PDF looks like that. We don't want to be giving our clients PDFs that have random little features up here, this extra text here. We're not interested in showing our properties, we're not interested in showing our clients, we don't need to show them the general conditions or the map or the agent details. Anyway, so that's it, that's our PDFs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.